All right, this is an old wall cover gasket from 2008 Ford Escape. It was leaking, so decided to buy a Fel-Pro, and we're gonna see how it looks. The way you install this, or how do you find the gasket goes which way? Basically, you will see this. You'll see these little notches. All you need to do is to align these notches, and then everything will fall into place. So basically, you align any of two sequential screws, notches, like I just showed you. There's a little extra rubber for that notch. Here is another one. You won't have to stretch anything. When it's correct, it will just fall in place. And this is a Fel-Pro wall cover gasket for 2008 Ford Escape. You got it from AutoZone. So again, for the interior, it's a little notch here that you can see. Now basically these are the little seaters. You can see this little notches, extra rubber. Those are the seats. It just sits there. And the way you install this back is basically you'll have to find a screw tightening pattern diagram somewhere from the internet, and basically that diagram will show you which one to fasten one. Probably, for example, this one, it will go first this one, second this one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, etc. But I strongly recommend you follow that pattern so everything gets in place correctly. Thank you for watching.